worked really hard behind the scenes over the last couple months to create a tailored and personalized demo day just for you. We recognize that as an investor, as a stakeholder, or an enabler of this ecosystem, you might have very specific interests, be it that geography that you're interested to look for teams in, or within a specific thematic area, or if you're just interested to learn and see what's going on in the deep tech or the overall technological ecosystem. This is why our Demo Day platform will adapt to you. After this video, you're going to see a few curated lists. So if you're interested, for example, to look at just the teams that are coming out of our MENA program, our India program, our Greater Bay program, you can click on those playlists. However, if you're interested to see what's going on in medtech, clean energy, cultivated meats, alternate proteins, you can click on those respective playlists. Or, as I would personally recommend, you can sit back and enjoy the entire demo day and watch all of our teams from all around the world who've been working extremely hard over the last couple months to bring to you their products and solutions. So have a great time, enjoy, and as always, we welcome feedback and are excited to continue to iterate these experiences to make the most meaningful connections for us, for our stakeholders, as well as all of our great founders. Thank you very much and enjoy yourself.